Okay, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your grading schema in Canvas. So this will become more important towards the end of the semester when you're getting ready to export your grades to PeopleSoft for final posting. So a lot of us use different grading schemas from the default Canvas grading schema. For instance, if you look at my syllabus here for Marketing 520, I require a 98% to get an A plus, which I know is a little bit higher than the standard. So let's go back to our course here. The way that we change our grading schema is by first scrolling down and clicking on settings here on the left-hand side. So you click into settings, and then if you scroll down just a little ways, you'll see this little link right here called View Grading Schema. So we're going to go ahead and click there. So you can see that the default Canvas grading schema is different from what I've got in my syllabus. There isn't an A+, there is, C+ and C-, etc. So I'd like to make changes to these. Now, if you just click Edit, I've found that you'll make all your changes, but it won't save properly. So the best way to do it is to click on Manage Grading Schemas right here. And then we're just going to click on Add a Grading Schema. So I'll just name it my name, Kate Eaton. I'm going to add a spot for A+ by clicking on the little plus right there. And then here in these boxes over here is where we can change it. So as I said, it takes a 98% to get an A+ in my class, and you have to have a 93 to get an A. You have to have a 90 to get an A-, 87 for a B+. Here I need an 83. B- is 80. I have a C+, but I don't actually do C-. So I'm going to change this C right here to a 70. And then this C- row, I'm just going to delete it by hitting the X here. So I also don't do D+, so I'll get rid of that one. And I don't do D-, so I'll also get rid of that one. So anything greater than a 60 will get a D, and anything less than a 60 will be actually an E. Another thing I like to include in my grading schema is I'll add another row and have one for the EN grade. Remember, the EN grade is failing because of not participating. So I usually set that to any grade less than 5%, they get an EN. So once you've created your schema and you have it, let me fix that, 5% here, 0% here, sorry. So once you have it the way you like it, just double check and then you can hit save. All right, so now that we've saved the Kate Eaton grading schema, we can go ahead and go back to the settings where we were managing the schema. So I just clicked on settings again, scroll down to view grading scheme. So again, here is the default Canvas one. So now I'm going to click on select another scheme. And there's the one I just made, Kate Eaton. Use this grading standard, click there, and then you can just double check, make sure that's how you want your grades to transfer over to PeopleSoft. And then when you're happy, you click done. It will not save until you scroll down here and then click on update course details. So go ahead and click there. It should have saved now. I'm going to just double check. View grading scheme, clicked. Yep, that's my grading scheme. So it went ahead and saved. I am good to go. Thank you.